Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one, came from Taiwan. This is Kung Fu Noodles with their premium goose oil with Sichuan pepper and hot chili. I've had this before, but not in this packaging, because look! I don't know who that guy is with his hand turned up, but look, it's me! Ooh! Yeah, they were the #1 newcomer to I think it was 2022, 2021, I can't remember, top 10 Taiwan list. And they're really happy about that, so there's me. Anyways, I am freaking having a wonderful day today, and I'm going to tell you all about it in a minute. Goose oil, chili oil, and probably soy sauce, I can't remember. Noodle block, thick Taiwanese noodle. I love this stuff. I'm gonna drop that in right there. Put this to the side. Over here. I'm running out of area to put things. Wow, the kitchen is full. I guess I'll put it right here. And this goes for 6 minutes. So why am I in such a good mood? Well, after a few days of going, please can you go to the store and get Pepper a what do you call it, a choke chain, because she had to fit it. I don't know anything about this stuff. My wife knows all about this kind of stuff. Well, she went and got one, and going from the one that was literally just a collar and then the leash with that to the choke chain with the leash, night and freaking day. Oh my god. And what's neat too is it seems like the dog really likes, it's like she thrives on it. She doesn't want it to choke, you know, but I'm like, every time that I need to correct her, I just go chip and I go heel, you know, and she does it. And this was the first, I've been wanting to take her on the Burt Gilman Trail and take like a pretty long walk. Today I went on the longest walk I've taken her on yet. We went 4.5 miles, I think. 9,000 steps for me. I'm sure it was a lot more for her. But we went down to Logboom Park, cruised around down there, got back. She took a big whiz. She took a big poop. Oh, good stuff. And now she is absolutely passed out. Usually when I open the door to the deck over there, after we go for a walk, she's like, ooh, I'm going to sit there and look out the window. No. She like went, So, yeah, this is really good because my wife's going to be going back to full time, it looks like, hopefully. And, yeah, so things be happening in a good vein, so I am thrilled, and I'll be able to take her out for the really long walk soon. So I'm just gonna add a little bit every day, and see what she can tolerate and what she can't, because obviously she is still a puppy. She's what, 13, almost 14 weeks old, but yeah, I just can't believe how quickly she's taken to being corrected and following directions on with that thing. She's still quite distractible, but she's getting there. She's really getting there. I'm really stoked. I've been not for a while when it was brought up to get a dog. I've just been like super anti. I was like, no, this is just going to be another thing that I have to do around the house. I've got enough to do already. Come on. And you know, it's like, okay, fine, it's time. I've done my whole no thing long enough, and then we got a dog, and it was hell at first, and now I'm like really happy about it. So there you go. That's why I'm pretty stoked today. That, and I'm doing 3 reviews, well, 2 of the 3 that will be a lot of fun, this being the first fun one. The next one, we'll see. And the third one I'm really stoked on too. So yeah, boiling noodles right now. I love Taiwanese dry noodles. They're especially this type. They're wider. They usually have kind of a ripply edge, and then a thicker vein. So it's like right down the center, it's a little more chewy, and on the sides, it's a little thinner. I like that. It's nice. It's nice. What else is going on? I don't know. All I can think about is how much fun I had going out with my little dog Pepper today. So that's good. I'm stoked. I was like, I'd take her out again, but maybe I will later. But I don't think so. I think she's probably just like kind of broken right now. She'll be all right. But we're supposed to have a windstorm. It's really dark outside. It looks like something mean is on its way. It said between the weather alert is between 10 a.m. and 7 p.m. And we shall see what we end up with as far as that goes. Yeah. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Yeah. Choke chain. I got like a 30-second lesson from Kit on how to use one of those things. Like, don't just pull back, you gotta pull up. And then she'll get the picture. It's like, okay. And for most of our walk, she stayed on my right side. She walked in a straight line. You know, she'd see like somebody coming and then like kind of try to walk in front of me, and then I'd correct her and she'd move back over. But it wasn't just a constant, like, I'm going to pull you all the way down the street kind of thing. And like I said, she kind of thrives on the fact that she's doing the right thing. I was like praising her the whole time. Got home, gave her a treat, and she is completely passed out. It's getting windier. The little weather, windy, spinny deal is spinning outside. I think it's starting to ratchet up. I'm actually feeling a little bit of the breeze coming from outside right now, too, through the door. Got the door open. It also kind of looks like it might start busting through. Hopefully we don't get a lot of sun. I really like to get my nice pictures in, so. All right. There we are. Let's drain it. Time to go drain. All right. So we'll drain. The third one I'm doing today has to be drained as well. That's right. I think I'm just going to do this with a little light bit of garnish and a fried egg on top. That just sounds like the right thing to do today. So yeah, this is a peppery, oily thing with a nice noodle. Like I said, I've had this one before. And the goose oil makes it really, I don't want to say greasy, but it definitely gives it a little more richness. I like that. Goosey. But yeah, these guys make a really good product. I'll let you get all up and personal with it in a second. So there's our, I'm guessing Sichuan pepper oil. Yeah, I think so. And then here is our, I believe our goose oil. Sorry, you didn't make it in there. Here is our goose oil. It's like there's a company that makes this. I can't remember what it said on it. Let's see. It says, it's on here somewhere. Probably right. They have like a French name, I think. Le Pont. I think it's right. I think that. The oil of the goose, ladies and gentlemen. And let's look and stir. Oh, I got a new ring light. Thank you, Amazon, for sending that over same day. That was pretty snazzy. I appreciate that. I still think that's like the most amazing thing ever. All right. Get you all mixed up. All right, I think we're ready to give this a try. It smells great. Yeah, there's a reason this was on the Taiwanese top 10. I've tried quite a few Taiwanese varieties, but look at that noodle. Beautimous. Cheers. Excellent chew, nice savory flavor, and then right at the end, it drops in with it's got a spiciness to it, but it definitely does not overwhelm other flavors. I really like that. So yeah, it remains a 5-star. That's kind of a no-brainer. I really like that. They've got a new one. They do these ultra premium boxed ones, and they came out with another one that is, I think it's a chicken noodle with Shaoxiang cooking wine. And real chicken. Real chicken. As opposed to pretend chicken. Let's do some scallion. And, you know, I made a perfect egg. So I want to show that off. So I'm going to put all the sprinkly stuff on here first. I'm going to do some crushed red pepper as well. Not a lot. A little bit. And I need the spatula because, as I just mentioned, I've a perfect egg. If you want to learn how to make an oh crap. Come on, let go. Let go. Listen. Oh no. I thought I made a perfect egg. I can fix that in post. Oh, that's good. Well, the edges of it were starting to get cranky with me. I could put chashu on it, but I think this looks good. I don't think it really needs a lot more. This is beautimous. I think I'm gonna have to chow down on this too. Beautiful. Beautiful and savory wonderment. Ladies and gentlemen, well, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, the next one you're going to see is this. This is a Sapporo Ichiban Pokemon noodle. That's one called Eevee. And it's got stuff on the lid. It's fun. So that one came out of a Zenpop box. You go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenerator for a discount. This one came from Kung Fu, and this is where it's at. I don't know if you can get this in the States. If you can, it's worth trying.
Taiwanese dry noodle are spectacular. So we'll have some Pokemon in the next episode. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.